Hey everyone, this is Neuro. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a digital artist who's been using AI for a long time. ComfyUI has been part of my process for a while, and I've packaged all of my workflows into a pack that I'm giving away for free. A lot of work went into these, so in this video I'll break down what the pack is and how to use it. First I'll explain what ComfyUI is, then I'll tell you who I am, and finally we'll get into the node pack itself. So what is ComfyUI? ComfyUI is a program that lets you connect different nodes to build AI applications. It can be complex, so if you're new, you might want to watch a few beginner tutorials first. A workflow is a pre-made setup you can drag onto your ComfyUI canvas and use right away without the need to wire every node yourself. My workflow pack is a collection of the ones I use daily as an artist. You can download them for free. These workflows are the result of about 2 years of iteration, making them better, cleaner, and more user-friendly. I wanted to share them with the community and help out other artists getting into AI. How can AI help you as an artist? AI can help you brainstorm concepts, create variations, speed up the rendering or sketching process, or handle anything you're not great at, so you have more time to focus on the parts you enjoy. Think of AI as a speed multiplier. These tools don't necessarily replace or take away creativity from you, they can actually amplify it. Use these tools to boost your strengths, compensate your weaknesses, and speed up commercial work to free up more time for personal work or just doing what you love. AI is very complex, and I can't cover everything in just one video, so that's why I started this channel. I'll walk through each workflow one by one and then use this channel to share my process as well as tutorials and techniques. Who am I? I've been making art since 2012 and using AI in my process since 2015. Creating with AI isn't just typing in a prompt. There's a lot of creative control you can bring to it as an artist. Before AI, I used Photoshop, 3D tools, Corel Painter, and other software. Early AI tools didn't even use any prompts, so I used them as just extensions of what I was already doing. In 2022, I found Disco Diffusion and started learning more about prompting. When DALL-E 2 came out, things got even more interesting for artists, with in-painting and out-painting. Once Stable Diffusion came out, I discovered ComfyUI, and everything changed in terms of the amount of control and influence you had in the creative process. So what's in this workflow pack? I have an older graphics card, so these are designed to run well on as low as an 8 GB GPU. There's model cards in each workflow that show where to download models and where to place them in the ComfyUI folder. I've put together plenty of built-in options such as input switches, aspect ratios, IP adapters, control nets, and a lot of tweakable parameters. The nodes are organized as cleanly as possible, but feel free to arrange them as you'd like. All outputs are organized and go to a single folder. I've even built some pixel art workflows that provide pixel-perfect results, as well as upscaled versions. I'll keep the pack updated as new models drop and my own workflows evolve over time. Once you get the pack, you'll get a zip file with a README and a Neuromind folder. Drop the whole folder into your ComfyUI workflow folder, or drag the folders in individually. Each workflow follows a similar structure. They all start with a model download card. The utility nodes which you shouldn't have to mess with. Model loaders are here. The prompt is always here. Your input image goes here. Tools will always be after that. Then your tweakable parameters are here. Then a live preview while it's generating. And then a save image node. Not every workflow looks the same, but they should follow that general structure most of the time. I'll make more videos showing how to use them, so subscribe and turn on notifications if you're interested. I've also set up a Discord server if you have questions or want to share what you're working on. It's small now, but hopefully will grow in time. I'll leave a link in the description. The link to the workflow pack will also be in the description. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.